Welcome back to the Marty Sats YouTube channel. If you've got an inflatable rental company for parties and events and you're looking for a website to promote your business, you're definitely in the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Marty Sats platform to build a website for your business. If you haven't heard of Marty Sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to sign up for that free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. So let's go ahead and search for our market, inflatable rentals. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that. Great. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to put in my city and my state or region, and it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located. You can enjoy the Marty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you've clicked on continue, Marty Sites will automatically generate a website for you with the information you've just put in. And there you have it. It's literally done it in a couple seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of the Marty Sites platform is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline. Of course, we've pre-selected the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free for you to use. They don't look like they've been taken on a mobile phone, very professional. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website. Maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to this content that was pre-written for you. Make it a little bit more personalized to your business. You can absolutely do that. It's super simple. You don't need to know any website coding or be a web professional in any kind of way. And you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get started. Let me show you how it works. I'm going to click on the first section at the top and go ahead and pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that's visible on my website for my customers to see. So let's go ahead and tick that box. Phone number is click to call. And your address, your physical location, maybe your mobile, so leave it off. But if not, pop it in over here. Great thing about it is when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken to Google Maps automatically for directions. Under update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. In the next section, you can go ahead and upload your logo over here. Once it's been uploaded, click on that pencil to crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. Otherwise, click on save at the bottom. Over here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Now with Marty Sites as well, we pre-selected the colors for you. If you'd like to change them to go with your logo perhaps, or your marketing, your branding, click on that paint bucket bottom right hand corner. So many color palettes to choose from. They're all completely, there's no color coding needed at all. You can literally just choose a color palette that suits you best. Great. Now for each section you want to make amendments to, click on that button directly underneath it. Head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device and upload your own awesome images. Otherwise, search through that photo library, hundreds of images to choose from. They're all high quality and they're completely free. Otherwise, you now have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in all those Instagram photos. Under update action is where we can change those call to action buttons, the text on the buttons, and where they're linked to. You can even link to another website if you take bookings for inflatables. Otherwise, you can upload a PDF file, maybe with a catalog or brochure of the various inflatables you have in store available for events. In the last section, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you, keep track of all your leads in your Marty dashboard. If you have a custom domain for your business, you can connect it by clicking on the yellow button at the bottom. If you don't have a domain yet, you really want one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors, go ahead and click on that button as well. You have the option to purchase a custom domain at an additional price by clicking on that button as well. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your inflatables business. Really wishing you and your business Marty success.